Magandang hapon po ng April 16, 2026 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 16, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, April 16, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 60 Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 16, 2026, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, April 16, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for April 16, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.